Fancy a safe ride? We got you covered. Imagine cruising through the city in a vehicle that not only exudes luxury, but also offers unparalleled safety. These bulletproof cars are designed to withstand the most extreme conditions, ensuring that you and your loved ones are always protected. Buckle up, because we're diving into the world of bulletproof cars. From the initial design phase to the final touches, every step is meticulously planned and executed. These aren't your average vehicles. They're mobile fortresses designed to protect passengers from serious threats. Imagine a world where important figures like presidents and diplomats travel without protection. Scary, right? That's where bulletproof cars come in. They provide a safe haven for those facing potential attacks. These cars are like mobile safe rooms, ensuring the safety of those inside. It's not just about surviving gunshots. These vehicles are built to withstand explosions and forceful impacts, too. Building a bulletproof car is like crafting a suit of armor. It all starts with the materials. Think super strong steel, bullet-resistant glass, and tough synthetic fibers like Kevlar. The steel used is specially hardened to deflect bullets, while the glass is a sandwich of polycarbonate and glass layers. Kevlar, known for its use in bulletproof vests, adds another layer of protection to the car's body. Building a fortress on wheels. Creating a bulletproof car is a meticulous process. It involves a series of intricate steps, each requiring precision and expertise. The journey begins in a standard automotive factory, where a regular car is chosen as the base model. This car will undergo a transformation like no other. It starts with a regular car, then the magic happens. The vehicle is carefully disassembled, piece by piece, to prepare it for the extensive modifications ahead. Every component is inspected and evaluated to ensure it meets the stringent requirements for a bulletproof vehicle. The car's body is stripped down, and layers of bulletproof materials are added. These materials include high-strength steel, Kevlar, and other advanced composites designed to withstand ballistic impacts. The process is labor-intensive, requiring skilled technicians to meticulously apply each layer. The windows, a crucial part, are replaced with thick multi-layered bullet-resistant versions. These windows are designed to provide maximum protection while maintaining visibility. They are tested rigorously to ensure they can withstand various types of ballistic threats. The tires are reinforced to keep the car moving even after punctures. These run-flat tires are essential for ensuring the vehicle can escape dangerous situations without being immobilized. They are constructed with special materials that allow them to function even when deflated. Finally, the fuel tank gets a special protective layer to prevent explosions. This layer is designed to absorb and dissipate the energy from impacts, reducing the risk of a catastrophic failure. The entire process results in a vehicle that is not only bulletproof, but also capable of withstanding various other threats, making it a true fortress on wheels. Fun facts about bulletproof cars. Did you know that the first bulletproof car was built way back in 1915 for the Tsar of Russia? This car was specially designed to protect the Tsar from potential threats during a time of great political unrest. It featured reinforced steel plating and bulletproof glass, which were revolutionary innovations for that era. The car was a symbol of both luxury and security, showcasing the lengths to which people would go to ensure safety. Talk about being ahead of his time. The Tsar's bulletproof car set a precedent for future innovations in vehicle security. Over the years, the technology has evolved significantly, incorporating advanced materials and sophisticated engineering techniques. Today, bulletproof cars are not just for royalty or heads of state. They are used by celebrities, business executives, and anyone who requires an extra layer of protection. And forget about rolling down the windows in a bulletproof car. Most are fixed for maximum security. The windows are made from multiple layers of glass and polycarbonate, making them incredibly tough to penetrate. This design ensures that the occupants remain safe from external threats, whether it's bullets or other forms of attack. The interiors are also designed to provide comfort and luxury, making these cars a perfect blend of safety and style. Some high-end models even come equipped with their own oxygen supply. This feature is particularly useful in situations where the air outside the vehicle might be compromised, such as during a chemical attack. The oxygen supply ensures that the occupants can breathe safely until they reach a secure location. These cars are also equipped with advanced communication systems, allowing the occupants to stay connected with the outside world even in the most extreme conditions. And run-flat tires for extreme situations. Run-flat tires are designed to keep the vehicle moving even after a puncture, allowing the driver to escape dangerous situations without having to stop and change a tire. This feature is crucial for maintaining mobility and ensuring the safety of the occupants. With all these advanced features, it's no wonder that bulletproof cars are considered the ultimate in personal security. Who needs these rolling fortresses? Bulletproof cars aren't just for spies and secret agents. Governments use them to protect their leaders, while private security firms rely on them to transport valuables and VIPs. Even some individuals, particularly those facing higher risks, opt for the ultimate protection of a bulletproof car. These vehicles are a testament to human ingenuity and our constant pursuit of safety and security. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content, updates, and new uploads from Manufactour straight to your feed.